Alright, well, I got some mail today, so I guess it's time to open some post. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with 1 times plastic sheet. No idea. Although, how often do I have an idea of what I've got in the post bags? Alright, so we have a small object encased in styrofoam. Oh, hey, look. It's the audio isolation transformers, which hopefully I will be able to use these to do some more interesting demonstrations with rectifiers and sine waves and stuff. So that's cool. That will go, well, I guess it'll just go off to the side for now. Alrighty. Next one is labeled LED diodes, which is mildly redundant, but let's see what we've got. We have a package of 0603 ultraviolet LEDs. Oh my goodness, those are a lot tinier than I thought they were going to be. Oh, that's suboptimal. Oh, I'll figure out something. I thought these were much larger than that. Alright, well, that's that experiment. I also have some of these ultraviolet LEDs with pigtails already on them on the way, but hopefully these will make an appearance sometime in the near future in a new project. Alright, one more for today. More styrofoam. Ah, yes. Been waiting for this to arrive for a million years. So this is a charging receiver for a Qi charger, or key, or whatever. It's the wireless charging thing. You can actually see the lump of the secondary coil because it's not actually an antenna. What it creates is a transformer. So you've got the primary of the transformer in the base mat, and then you've got the secondary of the transformer in either in your phone. It's like it's built into my phone, or you can buy these adapters that you can use to charge your phone. My purpose for getting this is to experiment with charging for little LED light jars. So anyway, so that's Postbag for today. If you haven't already, consider clicking here to subscribe. Right over here is a video that YouTube thinks you'll find interesting based on your watch habits. Right here is the Postbag playlist, and right here will be a link to the Patreon, which you can use to support more purchase of stuff on eBay like this. Anyway, thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.